Happy Friday, and welcome to the Blue Lightning AI Daily Podcast for Friday, September 26th, 2025. I'm Zane, and yes, this episode was stitched together with AI magic. If we glitch mid-sentence, that's just our co-producer, Robot Steve, improvising.
Beep boop, it's Pippa. If I randomly repeat a word, just vibe with it. Speaking of vibes, Meta's new AI video thing is literally called Vibes.
Perfect segue. Meta officially launched Vibes, an AI-powered short-form video feed where you can generate, remix, lightly edit, and publish without hopping apps. Meta laid it all out in their announcement, and it's rolling out inside the Meta AI app and on the web. Source Meta's own blog.
So it's like ideas to eyeballs in one loop. Prompt a scene, swap styles, add AI music, sprinkle effects, and boom, Dirtical, UK, 4, Tech Scopes.
One tag to publish to Vibes, then cross-post to Instagram, trim Facebook stories, and Reels. That last part is sneaky powerful. Right, because most AI video tools stop at export. Vibes collapses generate to go live. Reuters tied the timing to Meta's bigger AI acceleration. Remember the Superintelligence Labs reorg earlier this year? Meta wants end-to-end, make it, remix it, distribute it all in-house.
And TechCrunch is already spicy, calling it AI slop. Which, LOL, the internet does love to hate. But also fair question. Will the feed surface bangers or drown in noise? That's the whole game.
Let's set the table. What's actually new here? Not text-to-video itself, that's everywhere. It's that Vibes is a feed designed for AI-native creation, with Remix as default and Discovery built into the same surface. Meta's June update added AI edits across their apps. This is the dedicated lane built on that groundwork. Meta says the feed personalizes over time based on engagement.
Okay, but how big a deal? I'd call it a game speed change. If you're a creator, you can A/B test 5 ideas before lunch, not polish one for 2 days. And trend chaining is native. You can cross-cut segments from someone else's Vibes clip and keep the meme moving with attribution. That remix loop is very TikTok-coded.
Speaking of competitors, how does this stack up? TikTok's Symphony is powerful text-to-video, image-to-video, assistance for ads, but is more of a tool suite than a new AI-first feed. We covered Symphony's expansion for brands earlier this year. YouTube's Dream Screen brought VO-powered AI backgrounds and short text-to-video inside Shorts. Great for creation, but again, it's bolted into Shorts rather than a separate AI-native feed.
So Vibes is like tool plus platform fused. That's the scary part for standalone tools like Runway or Pika. Those are amazing. We just covered Runway Gen 4 and Pika's wacky peak effects, but you still gotta ship to socials for reach. If creation and distribution live in one scroll, the loop wins.
Who's this for? Short answer, anyone chasing feed-native video. Daily YouTubers dabbling in Shorts? Yes. Instagram creators? Definitely. Brand social teams? Absolutely. This screams fast A/B prompt testing. Even podcasters can whip up audiogram visuals in seconds. It looks beginner-friendly with an editor that's intentionally light.
And for hobbyists, it's perfect. Prompt a scene, remix a trend, see if it sticks. No After Effects degree. For pros, it's Vibes for previs or storyboards. Block out a shot in 30 seconds, test a look, move on.
Workflow impact. Biggest win is time to signal. You prompt, tweak, publish, and the personalized feed gives you early reads outside your follower graph. If a version pops, you double down. If not, try 2 more. Meta's pitch is production at feed speed.
Could it replace a tool in your stack? For quick shorts, yeah. If you're just making 6 to 10-second bits with effects and music, this might edge out your current combo of generator plus CapCut plus upload. For longer or super polished stuff, you'll still want your usual suspects.
Availability. It's live in the Meta AI app and on web via meta.ai, rolling out by region and device. You need a Meta account. You can publish to Vibes, share via DMs, and cross-post to Stories Reels. That's per Meta's announcement.
Price? Meta didn't drop a number. It looks bundled inside the Meta AI app. If there's a paid tier later, wouldn't shock me. Resolution, length, or export options are classic places to gate. But right now, it's more just start creating.
Limitations and risks. The big one is feed hygiene. If remix is default, quality ranking matters a ton. If the algo rewards novelty and craft instead of volume, we're good. If not, yeah, slop era. There's also authorship questions. Attribution in remix chains needs to be clear, consistent, and meaningful.
Do we know about watermarks or labels? Meta's been big on AI labeling across platforms, but we'll watch how Vibes handles it technically. If every clip is clearly labeled and you still get reach, creators won't mind. If it throttles distribution, that'll sting.
Benchmarks? None published yet for generation quality. They're not selling a model here, they're selling a loop. But we'll be tracking early creator tests, latency to generate, motion stability, style control. Runway and Pika raise the bar. Vibes needs to be good enough plus instantly shippable.
And on the vibe check scale, if I had to meme this, it's I made a trend while making a trend while making a trend. With that Spider-Man pointing meme, but it's 3 AIs. Remix Ouroboros, but make it fashion.
Competitive field outlook. TikTok's Symphony for brands, YouTube's Dream Screen for shorts, standalone engines like Runway Gen 4 and Pika 2.x for quality and control. Vibe's advantage is distribution, the most powerful lever in social. The threat? If creators can grow without leaving Meta's loop, tools that can't plug into Discovery will feel isolated.
Real-world scenario time. A TikToker sees a Vibes dance trend, prompts a neon city backdrop, remixes the top clip with a cross-cut reaction, publishes and cross-posts to Reels. Total time, like 10 minutes. A podcaster turns a hot take into a 7-second animated quote card with AI music, tests 3 styles, picks the winner. A filmmaker on set, previs a shot with a different lens mood, sends it in the group thread during lunch.
For brands, 10 prompt variants, publish 3, see what hits, iterate by afternoon. Trend-fit experiments with minimal sunk cost. This is what Meta means by collapsing timelines.
Any deal breakers? If they cap resolution low or watermark heavily in a way that screams AI toy, pro creators will bounce. Also, if the editor is too lightweight, like you can't fix jitter or refine cuts, you'll still need an external editor. But as a front door to ideas, spicy.
Does this feel like part of a bigger trend? Absolutely. 2025 is fusing creation with distribution. We just covered YouTube building AI straight into shorts and TikTok slotting Symphony into the ad stack. Reuters reporting makes it clear Meta wants the full stack models, tools, feed, and reach.
Last hot take. Is this must-have or nice-to-have? For anyone doing short video at volume, it's a must-try. If you already crush with a polished workflow, it's nice to have until remix chains start driving discovery you can't ignore.
Agreed. The bottom line. Vibes is Meta's clearest swing at AI-native short video. If the ranking system rewards originality and not just loudness, this could be a real shift in where short-form gets made and how fast it spreads.
Quick receipts before we bounce. Meta's feature list and rollout came from their announcement. Reuters connected Vibes to the Superintelligence Labs push. And TechCrunch did call it AI slop, which we'll see about once creators start posting real heat.
If you try Vibes this weekend, tag us with what you make and tell us what the latency and controls feel like. We'll keep testing and report back.
That's our show. Thanks for hanging with us on the Blue Lightning AI Daily Podcast. For more news and updates and tutorials on your favorite AI tools, hit bluelightningtv.com. We've got breakdowns on TikTok's Symphony, YouTube's Dream Screen, Runway's latest, Pika's wild effects, all that good stuff.
Appreciate you all. Robot Steve, take us out. Please don't loop the outro.
Loop the outro. Loop the out kidding. Catch you next time.